Well, hello, nursing pharmacology students. If you've watched the other introductory video I did, it's me again, Dr. John Dyson. I'll be also working with you with Nursing Pharmacology 2. Nursing Pharmacology 2 is a continuance of the course that Dr. Jenny Vernon had you with in the past semester, and we're actually going to take a systems-by-systems approach in how we take a look at the human body and the drugs that can actually help heal it. Like the other course, like Nursing 202, Nursing Pharmacology 2 will be meeting the first class by Zoom with a Zoom link. And the Zoom link is actually the same link that is in that course, but you can come to the course, go to the content page, and click on Zoom meeting or click the meeting URL, and either one of those is going to let you join in on the Zoom meeting. Again, as you scan down, look at the syllabus and the topical weekly outline. Both of those have new information in them that you do want to know. But I think you'll find a lot of it is familiar as well, but some important changes have taken place since the last semester of classes that you had, and those you really should be aware of. One of the most significant ones, of course, this semester is while we're having face-to-face classes, it's important to remember that we will need to wear masks. You'll be wearing masks in class as well as the hallways, and I will be wearing a mask in class and in the hallways as well. So make sure you read through, because you will be asked to continue in the course as an agreement that you have read and understand questions. Bring those questions to class as well. We'll be meeting at 10 o'clock in our virtual setting on Monday the 24th, and then we'll start the face-to-face classes on the following Friday. Now, one thing that is also involved in this course, and you've probably used it already, is you want to go to this section you see me highlighting here with the Respondus Lockdown Browser. If you happen to get a new laptop or other device over the summer, make sure that you have the Lockdown Browser software loaded to that as well, because that's what we'll be taking the test. Now, what's going to be odd here is in both courses, but with Nursing Pharmacology 2 as we're speaking now, you'll be having a Kaplan exam. And the Kaplan integrated exam has Respondus software. Please know it is a different set of software, but I'll get you those details in class. But you'll essentially will be downloading two different versions of the Respondus Lockdown Browser. The guidelines for taking the Kaplan review tests and integrated test in this classroom are on the course as well. And then we'll be going over weekly PowerPoints that are available to you. In this course, what I do is I have slides that are called student slides that you're expected to either download and be able to take notes on in class. That's right. You can also bring your laptop to class here as well, or you can print them off if you prefer to take notes on them in class and then look over them later. You also will find other materials that are available in there. New to this semester, I've added weekly supplemental instruction, additional materials to help you have an even deeper learning. We do a lot of material in this class, guys, and what this will do is allow you to get some additional help with it on your own time, and it's kind of a quick and easy way to get an update on the particular drug classification of the week. There's going to be other materials available, study guides and different resources that are available, and of course, tabs for the exams and quizzes. All of our classes are going to have the quizzes and exams online. So you want to make sure you have the working laptop. That's a new requirement of the university. And there's also information available through the university if you need one but don't quite have the funds. You may be able to find some help with that. But you must have a laptop or related device that's capable of accessing Respondus browser. There's information on that in the course as well. And you must have that to take the quizzes, which will be on your own time, or take the exams, which will be in class. Should we switch to online, should the pandemic take a swing for the worse, and we're all praying that it doesn't, you'll have the option of doing the same thing there. So make sure you go through the course, and in the first class, we'll go over this material as well. And then be prepared watching for the slides to open up later in the week before you start classes so that you can have the slides ready, because we'll begin upper respiratory medications. in that class. I look so forward to meeting you. I've heard good things about you, and we'll see you in class. Thanks a lot.